Hello everyone, and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today is going to be just a quick video. I've got a little round pizza that was given to my kiddo. She's part of the school district here in Southern California, and I wanted to help anybody else out that was curious how you wanted to cook these things, because putting them in the microwave is really not that great, and putting them in the toasting oven, the convection oven little thing here, these things seems to work pretty good. And so we've got it set at 325 degrees, and we're going to pop it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes and see how it does. Here we are, putting it in the oven. And here we are, coming in the last minute and a half at a little over 325 degrees in the toaster oven. This one has a little fan, so it's a convection oven, but it goes about 14 minutes at 330 or 40 degrees in between 325 and 350. Do-it-yourself gourmet, folks. If your kiddos or you have to cook a little bit of school food that they send home, then this is how you do it for these little pizzas. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.